Now you are going to watch one of the most perfect South Indian Iyengar meals done by Adilakshmi catering service. Yesterday I went to my brother-in-law engagement function with my family members. There I had a very good time with my relatives. After the function gets over we went to eat lunch. There they served all the food items on banana leaf, which made me more comfortable to eat. They served pure Iyengar meals on banana leaf. All the items they served on banana leaf has its own unique taste, especially Paruppu Podi plays a vital role in this meals. Eating Paruppu Podi with hot white rice and ghee was delicious. Mutton biryani and Paneer stick was really awesome because it will take more time to cook. Instead of mutton pieces they used jackfruit as its alternate. This jackfruit pieces looks exactly as mutton pieces. The payasam which they served was Ilanir payasam with tender coconut in it. The taste of Ilanir payasam was mind-blowing. Vathal kuzambu which they served was ultimate. Overall rating for this lunch I will give 4 out of 5. The service was excellent by the caterers. After completing the entire lunch I ended up with badam gulfi. This gulfi is loaded with assorted nuts which I can't able to stop with one. I ate more than 4 slices. If you people having any event to be conducted, then you can approach this caterers. I shared caterers details in this video. Now enjoy by watching this video. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.